after the announcement of the Assam elections, the third phase of the Assam election will be held on 6th of April, which also happens to be the areas which are falling closer to Garo Hills region, which is lower Assam. So, with that in mind, the polling of the GHEDC, which was supposed to be on 9th, needs to be postponed so that the logistics, which includes security, manpower, transportation, that means vehicles, all these aspects need to be looked into. And if the election dates of Assam and Lower Assam, that is, and Garo Hills autonomous and elections are too close, then it may be difficult to have a proper election in terms of the logistics. So therefore, it has been proposed that the polling date of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council be shifted from the 9th of April to the 12th of April, which is a Monday, and the counting accordingly will be shifted from 14th of April to 15th of April. So this change also, which was proposed, has been cleared by the cabinet, and as mentioned, this has been done mainly because of logistical challenges which will be faced because of the last phase of Assam elections taking place on the 6th of April, and that too the lower Assam cases.